as marked for, say, residential, why would even somebody want to change user of residential area to be a gas center or industrial area? Isn't that the purpose of marking certain areas for specific things? So that if we have areas for refilling gas in industrial areas, they are particularly for those particular purposes. This thing of now houses coming to find a gas facility, why are they finding? Because the users are supposed to be different, so that if it is an area for the refilling of gas, then it should never be a residential area, and distribution of gas can never be an issue. What should be an issue is refilling. So I think even these 200 meters, I don't know if it is anchored in law, is something maybe you thought of.
Similarly, at paragraph 13 and 14, we've indicated 12, 13 and 14, we've indicated the dates of the licenses having been issued, the license reference numbers as well, both for the licensed facility in Nanyuki, Maxis Nanyuki Energy, and also for the petroleum transportation by truck licenses, and also the LPG transportation by truck licenses that have been issued. Chair, just to speak to the issue that you've raised with respect to the report from the media, I cannot speak to the accuracy, but maybe I can just speak to the administrative action that we have taken as the regulator to suspend the licenses related to the registered lessee of the garage where this illegal activity was happening. We did immediately proceed to suspend the licenses of Mwaki gas suppliers and Dado's Petroleum and Dado's Tech and Maxis Nanyuki, trading under Maxis Nanyuki. We did suspend those licenses as an administrative action by the regulator. As I said earlier on, 3 days before the incident, we undertaken surveillance as part of our normal surveillance and enforcement in Nanyuki, where we did find the facility Maxis Nanyuki conducting illegal business, which is filling cylinders of another brand owner.
Kogena tene ate munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni aruguritie kiganda kia